Good morning guys, may nakita kong donkey na sa daanan. Yan guys, so donkey. Donkey guys, nanghihingain ang donkey. Yan guys, ang mga donkey, wild donkey. Sila guys, so sabi nila guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 donkey guys. Yan, baby donkey. Hi. Yan sila guys. Mga bibi guys. Ito bibi. Ganda guys, oh. Yan sila guys. Pwede na sila lapitan. Yan. Yan yung malaking donkey guys. Yan guys. Nangingain sila guys, oh. Diba guys? Donkey. Wild yan dito guys, son. Yan guys, oh. Baby. Hindi natatakot guys yung baby. Ano? Guys, donkey. Good morning, Antigua, mabuhay Philippines. Magandang gabi po. Hapon yan po sa ating ngayon. Thank you guys watching for this video.